We are back in the garage. It is Wednesday the 8th of October at about 6:45 this afternoon after work. I went and picked up another gas bottle. So we got that bottle there for that. Not sure if I really need to, but I don't think it could hurt just preheating this a little bit. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do tonight. Hopefully get both of these all welded. So currently just kind of got this set up on a bit of an angle, so it's a nice angle to weld in there. And probably turn it like this, I reckon. I'll see if I can angle it to get a good view for the camera. But yeah, that's what we're going to do tonight. I'll get the welder and the camera all set up, and then I'll be back. Alright, so we're all set up. I think this will work pretty good here. Now I have no idea how long or how hot to get this. We'll just see how it goes. Right, we shall see how this goes. Now, I'm no expert welder, but that doesn't look too bad. I probably could have started a bit earlier, but that's looking quite nice. Very happy with that. Very pleased with that. On to the next side. See how this goes. I'll just keep going and do all of it and then uncover you once I've done it all. I might actually start a time lapse, just be less video. So I finished welding all those pieces out. I'll flip the camera around and show you. Alright, so this is the first one I did. It came out looking. That one's better. Those two there look pretty good. Even this one's still a little hot. That one's sort of right in the middle. Started moving a bit too quick, but still looks pretty good. That one looks not too bad. That one looks pretty good. The ones here on the inside might be a bit hard to show. They were hard to weld too, but pretty happy with the way they all came out. That one down the bottom looks pretty good. That one there, I was sort of blocking myself with the welder, so at the end there I kind of went off track a little bit. Take that off. And on this side, started moving a little too quick, sort of right in the middle there. But that one down the bottom there looks pretty good. And that one there looks not too bad. I definitely reckon I probably did better on this one than the second one, because it was need to make something that I can like clamp in the vise, or like bolt here that's like a nice armrest, stable armrest, because a lot of the times on this one I'd sort of start with my arm sort of, as you can see, I burnt all that, like resting on the edge of that. Like if it was up like that, resting on this edge here, and for like the first half it'd be alright, but then it would suddenly start getting really hot. I'm like, ah, shit. So then I kind of lift off it, and then I'm kind of, I still have my elbow down here like this, but I'm sort of going a bit freehand, so it doesn't come out the nicest. That one there, that's exactly what I was just talking about happened there with that one. I think that one I had it resting here, and that's when I did that bit there. But anyway, the rest of them came out looking good enough. This one, it's undercut on that round bit a lot, so I think on that one I had the torch sort of angled up more towards the round bar, so that's up. That one there, that one looks pretty good. And then there was another one that I thought looked pretty good. I think that one there, that one looks pretty good. But all the others, that was probably moving a bit too slow through the whole thing. And that one doesn't look too bad. That's that undercut one. That one looks alright. That one down the bottom, maybe moving a little too quick. That one over that side, that one looks pretty good. I reckon I'll get it in the light. That one looks pretty good. And then that one, that last little bit, you can see where it goes all funny. The tip of the torch touched it. And then I don't know what happened with this one. Got a bit of, was it porosity just there. In the end, doesn't look the best. So I think overall I did better with this one. But I think like that weld there, and then maybe even that one, and then that one there, they're probably my best welds out of all of them, I reckon. On this one, that's probably my best weld there, I reckon. Or that one maybe, down the bottom. Or maybe even that one down the bottom in there. So they're all welded up now. I'm gonna call that a night here. So now that that's all done, those are all finished, ready to go. next one I'll start drilling holes in the garage floor. Hopefully that goes well. Gonna test out these things I got. Hopefully they work alright. I was thinking I might just do a because this is a what is it, SDS plus drill bit, so it's got that funny end on it, but I didn't really feel like, I think the cheapest I could find was a Aussie Auto SDS. I think it was only like $100, but if I can chop the end of this off and put this in my normal drill and just get away with it, hopefully that'll work well enough. But yeah, like I was about to say, I'll probably do a test hole in like a brick or something, maybe, or maybe even like somewhere that won't ever get in the way, like right in that corner there in the concrete. Do a test in the actual concrete, but I'll probably first, to see if chopping that end off and drilling it with my normal drill will even work, I'll try a brick first. Then if that works alright, I might clear out that corner and do one sort of right in the corner, maybe just to test it in the concrete and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna call that one there. I'll see you in the next one.